Let us examine this question. In our last class, we examined scalar multiplication. So today we want to explain to us matrix multiplication. Now, in matrix multiplication, there are certain conditions which must be met. Now, we have to compare our rows and our column. Now, you know that these are rows and these are columns. Now we compare the number of rows with the number of columns and see if they are the same. Now here we have 1, 2, so that means there are 2 rows here and there are 2 columns here, and also this here we call them rows and these are columns. So here the number of rows in this B is equal to the number of columns, and also here the number of rows are also equal to the number of columns. So there are 2 rows here and there are 2 columns here, and there are 2 columns here and there are 2 rows here. So that means they are both 2 by 2 matrix. And because they have the same rows and columns, then we can use matrix multiplication to solve this. So how do we solve it? So we have our solution. Now, when solving a question this way, we have to be very patient and calm enough when solving it, so that we have an accurate result. So you have it this way. Now, this is a 2 by 2 matrices. So our AB, to get that, what we are doing is this: we are multiplying the rows by the column. So that means here we have row 1, column 1, here you have row 2, sorry, this is still row 1, column 2. Here we have row 2, column 1, and we have row 2, column 2. Now this is what it's saying: row 1, column 1. That means the first number in row 1 is 1. And what is the first number in column 1? That is 5. Plus the first number in row 1, which is 4, plus the second number in column 1. Remember, dealing with row 1, column 1. And that is how we're going to do for all. So how do we solve it? Now let's take it one after the other. So let's start. Now for row 1 we have 1. Multiplied by column 1, we have 5, plus 4 is still in